We're gonna see what's in the box of Just Dance 24. Let's get the plastic off. There we go. Then if we open it, we can see there is no cartridge in here. Absolutely no cartridge. So if you buy this and you expect to get a physical version, there is no cartridge in it. However, there's a code in here. You can see the code, but it doesn't matter because I already claimed it. So don't try to claim it, I already claimed it, okay. You get this little book, which has the code and how to redeem it inside. You will get your game digital on your Nintendo Switch. You will get it on the account that you have redeemed it on, but you can play it on any account as long as that Nintendo Switch is set to your primary Switch. If it's a Switch that isn't set to primary Switch, you can only play it on that one account you activated it on. Further, this is how the box art looks like. And this is how the inside looks like. I do like Just Dance games a lot myself, so if you give this as a gift, I think most people would enjoy it anyway. Even though it's not a physical gift, but you're giving them something digitally, you can still wrap it because it does have a cover. So that is kind of a plus of giving a digital gift that still comes with a cover.